All right, we found this gem at Costco and we decided to try it. Aberfeldy. It's from Scotland, the Highlands.
The Highlands.
Founded on the river, right by the distillery of John Dewar. So, actually, distilled by Dewar.
I believe they're the parent company.
All right, so this should be good if it's Dewar's.
Do you know why I call it Aberfeldy?
Tell me.
Aber got all fucked up, drunk, and Feldy down.
All right. Well, forget the real facts.
It's a Highland. It's not supposed to be smoky. If you come from the spice, it's more peaty and more smoky, and I'm not a huge fan of smoke.
I'm not a fan of peat, so if it's not smoky and it's not peaty,
Peat's not here.
this could be good Scotch.
They don't make this stuff in big batches. It's limited. But they do have like a 12, 16, 21 year.
And, well, I just wanted to say that we just got done watching the Open.
True, I won.
And Tim won. Picked his man, Cameron Smith. Cameron Smith. Yeah, so in honor of the Open and all of Scotland, let's try this out.
Let's have some of John's Scotch.
Whew. Smells good. We're going to try this neat first because neat's the only way to get the real flavor, right? You put a cube in it, just waters it down.
Cheers, bitches.
Cheers, bitches. I kind of like it.
May I have some more, please?
May I have some more,
My
please?
God, is that smooth.
That is really smooth.
Well, Fort Wayne, here we come. We're going back for more.
Yep. Found this at Costco in Fort Wayne, Aberfeldy. One of my new favorite drinkers. I like it.
Don't get drunk and fall down.
I like it a lot.
Hurt your hand, too.
So the Aberfeldy story came from like a truism of you falling and hurting your hand?
Oh, no, no.
Is that how you came up with that?
I don't know Aber. Do you know Aber?
No.
Not your neighbor?
Is that your middle name? Aberfeldy? All right. Well, this is great Scotch. Cheers.
Cheers. 7 chins.
7 chins.
God, give me 1 cube.
I know, 1 cube, and that's amazing. I love the flavor neat.
12 year.
12 year. All right, this is really good Scotch. What did we pay for that? $35?
It wasn't a we, it was a you.
All right, might have been a me. $35 somewhere around there. Costco.
Hell yeah.
All right, well, click the thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and well, we're gonna drink more Scotch. Have a great day.
See you.